My loves, welcome back to another video with Chrissy G. We are here today. I'm so excited, you guys. I went to go get my hair done, and because Dora's Hair Extensions reached out to me again, and they wanted to do another collab because I recently uploaded a video with the clip-in hair extension that I'm completely obsessed with. You guys know that my hair has thinned out a ton since being on my weight loss journey. It is now growing back because there is a ton of frizzy baby hair that's coming out, and so I'm so happy that it is growing back. So for those of you barely going through that stage, usually it hits anywhere between month 3, 4, and 5 is when people start to notice it, that their hair is just falling out in clumps, and this is completely normal. It happens with almost any weight loss journey, surgery, anything that will shock your body, and any kind of weight loss journey that you're on usually will cause hair loss just because your body isn't used to it. So nothing to worry about, but you guys know that I'm obsessed with long hair, and so when they reached out to me, I picked out the extensions that I wanted, and I went and got my hair done based on the color of the extension. So I'm so excited to bring them to you today. I will show you. So this is the box that they come in, and you can order them through Amazon. They're very affordable because I've used all kinds of extensions. If you guys know, my absolute favorite type of extension is going to be the tape-in, which this is what they sent me. Of course, the last video I uploaded was a clip-in. That one's super convenient for people who do not have the patience to tape them in, or people who don't have the experience with tape-ins. But honestly, my teenage daughter helps me put these in. So as long as you have another set of hands and eyes, you can do these. The reason why I love tape-in extensions is because they're in your head for 6 to 8 weeks. You treat them just like you would treat your normal hair. You wash it, you dry it, you style it just like you would. It doesn't come off, so it stays in your head for 6 to 8 weeks, depending on how quickly your hair grows. So we're gonna go ahead and unbox this and see what we're working with. Their return policy has been really simple. Usually they'll have something inside letting you know what their return policy is. So we're gonna see, we're gonna find out together. Again, their packaging is super cute, you guys. I love the color, I love the text and everything. Super nice. It has instructions in the back telling you how to care for your extensions. So I'm so excited to see what they're looking like. I got a pair of eyelashes in there. I don't know if they come in every package. Maybe they're marketing some new lashes, and so they're putting them out for you to try, but I did get a pair of lashes in my box. They did send some extra tape, so I love that they sent extra tape strips, because I've purchased tape and extensions and I have to purchase the strips on my own extra, so that is really convenient that they put some in there for you. And then of course you got your hair guide in there. So your hair guide's gonna let you know how to put them on and how to remove them. So are these tapes easy to remove, or do they leave remains or residue behind in my hair? Please use a professional tape remover and peel it off gently. Will not leave any remains behind. Do not pull the tape aggressively to prevent damage to your own hair. So I'm curious to know how that's gonna work, because most other tape and extensions will leave some kind of residue behind. Regardless, I've used every method in the book and I always still have residue left behind. And yes, it will. Your hair naturally sheds every day, and so when you go to remove the extensions, your hair wasn't able to shed in those areas because you've sandwiched it between 2 tapes. So usually when I take them off, I will lose some hair, but that's probably because that's hair that has shed off my scalp, but it's been sandwiched between the tapes. So there's that. It says combing and washing. Gently comb your hair, untangle, use a wide tooth, pat dry. Wash your hair extensions with shampoo every 4 to 5 days is sufficient. So that's right up my alley. Human hair extensions will easily get split ends. Use essential oils regularly and trim the ends every 6 to 10 days. Oh, wow. Styling, which I've never done with any of the other extensions, so I'm curious to see. Our hair extensions are 100% human hair, which can be styled. Please control the temperature 320 to 390. hair extensions can last 3 to 4 months with good care. Usually my extensions last about a year because I do care for them well, and I use good products in my hair because I do protect my investment. Getting hair colored is expensive, so I usually make sure that I buy the products that I need to care for my hair. So this is what it looks like. It comes in the little net just like the extensions that I purchased, the clip-in ones. And so this is the hair, you guys. It is very close. If you guys see, it is very close to the ombre that I've got going here. I typically get highlights, but this is the first time that I get like an ombre style. So I was kind of feeling the dark hair, you guys, and you know I've been struggling to decide whether I wanted to go blonde or stay dark. So this was kind of a perfect compromise. Like, I have the dark in my hair, but then I've also got a few, like I got a little bit of light going here to frame my face. And then of course the bottom half of my hair is mostly light, so it's still pretty bright. So I was really, really happy with it. I've always been scared to go so dark at the top because to me it just looks like grown out highlights. But I'm really happy with it. It's my first time trying it and I'm loving it. I'm not gonna say I'm not. She said that this particular color will actually last 6 to 8 months, which is fabulous because I absolutely dread going to go sit at the salon for 2 or 3 hours. And so she said that this should last me, usually with highlights, I'm having to go every 3 to 4 months. She said this would last 6 to 8 weeks unless I want to add some light to the front of the face. So I'm really excited. So yes, you guys, I'm going to show you how my daughter and I work together to get these installed. I'm really excited because let's see here. Once I put these in, I mean, look how seamlessly it blends, you guys. I am so excited. So yes, I'm gonna get my daughter to help me install these, and I will walk you guys through the process so you can see how easy it is. As long as you have someone to help you, it's a pretty easy process. I will show you what the tape looks like close up so you guys can see. They look pretty typical of tape and extensions, and I got 2 bundles because I think 2 bundles will be enough. Usually they put 3 to 4 bundles for me because I have such thin hair, but that's too much. It's a lot to maintain so much hair. The blow drying and the styling, it's a lot to handle. So so this is what the tape looks like. You're gonna remove that tape, and then this is what the side that goes outward on your hair. So yeah, that blends in really well with my hair, you guys. Look at that. I'm so excited. So yes, let's start putting in some tape and extensions. So all you have to do is peel off the little tape. So essentially what you're doing is you're going to put one on the top of your hair, and then you're going to part your hair, and then you're going to sandwich it between the 2 layers, and that's how you keep placing them. Okay, so this is what I mean by once I start to get to the front of the hair, I can see what I'm doing, and this is when it becomes easy for me to place the hair. So you want to make sure you don't get it too close to the front of your face, so if you ever want to pull your hair back, you don't see the extension in there, you guys. So that's pretty easy. So I'm gonna make sure that I'm leaving at least 2 finger space here. So I'm gonna start right around here. So you want to get it as close as you can, but not dead onto your scalp, because then it'll be too tight and it'll be pulling on your scalp and it'll be uncomfortable. And then you flip it and you make sure you take off, which I still put it on a little bit tight. Take off any excess hair. So you want to make sure the ends match and you stick it on end to end. And then sandwich. And that's it. Alright, my loves, this is the final result of putting in the extensions. If you guys see, my hair blended in perfect. You can't, they're seamless. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Until next time, talk soon.